You guys already know this video is going to be lit because it is I, E-Man. Welcome to the channel and welcome to the family. If you guys enjoy what I do on this channel, you like my videos and you want to be notified whenever I upload a video, then hit that subscribe button. You might as well because it's free. And also turn on your post notifications and also give these videos a thumb up. Well, like the video. Don't dislike, just like the video. Comment something nice below. I might even reply to your comment. Who knows? But today I'm going to be giving you guys my 6-week impressions on the new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. The reason why I keep talking about this device is because there's just a lot to learn from this device. There's a lot of things that Samsung has put on this device that just makes it such a unique device and such a device that is like a learning curve. You basically learn things on this device. Well, I've been learning things on this device and finding out stuff, finding new things out, and just, you know, experimenting with the device and, you know, just finding, just really just enjoying the device, to be honest with you. But yeah, my 6 weeks I've had this device. I bought this phone in August time, mid-August, something like that, mid-August. And yeah, it's been 6 weeks now and I'm absolutely blown away. I'm very impressed with the quality and just the whole design and the whole aspect of this device. I mean, obviously, like I've said in my previous videos, that Samsung started with the first generation, which I actually made a specific video saying that I really did not like the first generation. I hated it. If you guys want to check that video out, just look for it somewhere in my just search it on my channel and you'll be able to find that video. I hated the first generation of the Samsung Galaxy Fold. Second generation came out. I was a little bit unsure because it just didn't have that wow factor that I wanted from a folding phone. It just wasn't hitting the jackpot for me. And then the third one came out and I thought, you know what, I took 2 looks at it and I was like, you know what, it's nice. It was beyond my expectation. I thought, you know what, it's a really good device. I thought, you know what, let me try it out. Let me see. I mean, I saw pictures. I watched the Galaxy Unpacked, and I was like, I really liked the colors. I liked the materials made out of. I just liked the way that it was designed and the fact that when you open it up, you just get a full screen. None of that stupid cut out notch kind of thing on the right hand side of the screen for the camera and all the sensors and all that rubbish. None of that. It was just plain screen. And then I looked at the screen at the front as well, and I mean, look at it. It's just full screen at the front, which is just absolutely incredible. And I thought, you know what, let me give it a try, and I did, and I bought it. I was like, whoa. I was blown away. I'm literally blown away with this device. Everything that it has in stock is just absolutely awesome. The thoughts of Samsung that's gone into this, and the design and the preparation of this device Samsung has put in, the work they've put in, I really appreciate it, because it's a step up, you know, from what they've done before. They've stepped up in the game to try and perfect the Fold series, and they have. This is really, for me, and I'm pretty sure for everyone else and loads of people, this is pretty much the most perfect foldable phone you'd find in the market right now. Well, foldable smartphone you find in the market right now, which just has everything that you need. It's got the camera, which is beautiful. It's only 12 megapixel, but it still gets the job done, and the pictures are absolutely clear and the videos are absolutely beautiful as well. You got the front-facing camera, which is 10 megapixel, shoots beautiful selfies, absolutely awesome. And then you got this camera inside the main screen, which is hidden just right up there, which is just absolutely nuts. Yes, it's only a 4 megapixel camera, but still, I mean, they've really smashed it out the park. I'm just absolutely in love with this device. I don't get a lot of time to use the device because of my job, but when I do, it's just absolutely awesome. I watched tons of movies on this, movies that I'll never even watch on my Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Always watch on this because the screen is so much bigger, 7.6 inch of screen for the front. You're looking at a tablet kind of size device, and it literally looks like a phone. The fact that you open it up, it's a tablet, and you close it up, it goes back to a phone. It's just absolutely awesome. Like I was saying about the usage I use on this phone, I use my Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra as my daily driver. That is just a beast on its own. And when I use this device, it's mainly when I come back from work. I'm at home, I'm chilling, I'm relaxed, I'm sitting on the sofa or the couch, watching like TV or something like that, and you know, I just want to play around. I literally grab. When I'm at home, the Fold is always on the side of my couch. You know, when you sit down, then you got the armrest. It's always sitting there all the time. When I get home, sit on the couch, I put my Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra right beside it, just like that. And I got the TV on, and I never reach for the S21 Ultra. I always reach for the Fold 3, because I know all my apps and everything that's here is on this as well. So it's kind of linked. So if I was to get a notification, it will come straight on this and this, so I can work with either phone I want. But yeah, I've never really seen myself reaching to pick up for the S21 Ultra, especially when I'm at home. It's always about this, because I don't know what it is. It's just there's just like a nice vibe, like a nice chill kind of vibe to it, that you just pick it up, you open it up. Even the satisfaction of opening up a device is just like, you open it up and you're ready to go. You just start doing your stuff. And the screen real estate is very, very nice. You can see everything, you can do anything on it, and you just know you're gonna get a lot of screen real estate, which is absolutely awesome. And then you pick it up to look at your notification quickly, you just unlock it and you just use the small bit and you just see what's going on. If it's like a quick notification, you just unlock the phone and just quickly, okay, lock the phone, that's it, done. When you wanna reply to the message or anything like that, you just open it up and boom. You literally turn it from vertical mode to landscape mode, and you're watching a video already. Literally watching a video already. It's just awesome, and Samsung has absolutely smashed it. Like I said, they've smashed it out of the park. And my experience with this phone has been 10 out of 10. Can't fault this device on anything apart from one thing, just that front-facing camera inside the 7.6 inch display, it being a 4 megapixel. I mean, first ever company that's done it. They've managed to, there's been a lot of talks and there's been a lot of speculation about actually putting a camera underneath the glass, underneath the screen of a device, and Samsung has done it. And I would have liked more megapixel count, but since it's the first time it's ever been done, 4 megapixel, it's not too bad. That's really the only thing I can flaw about this device. It's just that 4 megapixel count on the camera. But I mean, like I said, it's first time it's been done. I'm not expecting Samsung to just go all out, put a big count megapixel in there and call it a day. It's kind of like a learning curve, like a progress you got to make, just like the first generation of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold series. Then they had the second one and the third one. You got to go through the steps to perfect something, kind of thing. But yeah, it's just an absolute experience. I've been very, very impressed with this device. Ever since that, I bought it and started using it, and then the color of this as well, which is absolutely awesome, absolutely awesome. But yeah, great for movies, great for anything really. It's absolutely nuts. It's such a beautiful phone. But yeah, anyway guys, that's been my 6 weeks impression of this device. Wasn't a review. I'll be definitely reviewing this device sooner than later, maybe like in a month or two or something like that, so that I can really give you guys my verdict on this device. And yeah, anyway guys, if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and also press that like button, turn on the post notification, comment down below, tell me something good and something you like about this device. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace.